Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can join CapCut PC Pro to get like these I guess like pro effects for your videos and stuff like that. So to do that, you're just going to go up here and there's a join pro section. So you're just going to select join pro. You can select the plan. They have like, this is around like I'd say $10-12. I don't know the conversion for this. I don't know how to convert like USD to like IDR, but they have it for like monthly up here. This one's for like a month, and this one's per year, and this one's yearly, I think, and this one's if you only subscribe for a year. Select whichever one you want and then select purchase. It's going to bring you here and you're just going to use your card or however it tells you to pay. This one is for my country. I don't know if y'all have that. Maybe you'll have like PayPal or something, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!